Hi parents and Bright Bees. Here is the ELA packet for the week of April 27th through May 1st. You'll notice the first page has not changed. It's what you're familiar and used to seeing. This week we are going into literature text and we are going to be working on theme and summarizing theme. We decided, Mr. Rickard and I, to do it a little bit different than what the county had been doing. So your daily assignments are all on one page. Day one, you're going to read and annotate the text. That means you're just going to read and underline the main ideas and key details, circle any vocabulary words that you're unfamiliar with. We have a reference bookmark at the end of this packet to help you to use to annotate. If you would like the story read to you while you are reading it, you can click here for the video of the Little Red Hen. Mr. Rickard is reading it this week. Day two, you're going to reread the text and then you're going to take some vocabulary words. The words that are embolded there in black, you are to choose 5 of them and write them in complete sentences, capital letters, punctuation. If you have trouble with any of these vocabulary words, the definitions are at the bottom of the story pages. Just look for them at the bottom of the story pages and it'll tell you what each of these words mean. Day 3, reread the story, and then you're going to figure out the but, somebody, so, when, then, some summary chart that we do. You're going to fill in that chart and then you're going to write your own 1-paragraph summary about the Little Red Hen. Day 4, reread the story and you're going to use the character triangle that's on the last packet to help you determine how was Little Red Hen at the beginning of the story, how was she at the end, how did she change, and how did that help you determine the theme. And then day 5, you have a writing prompt. In your opinion, do you think Little Red Hen was justified? Justified means to prove or show to be right in her decision not to share the bread with rat, cat, and pig. So you've got an opinion writing to do there. Here is the story, Little Red Hen. Remember, on day 1, there's a link if you would like the story read to you or if you just need help reading the story. Here are the vocabulary words at the bottom that I was talking about. There's the definition and the words. They're at the end of each page on the story. There's some more vocabulary words. This is still part of the story. More vocabulary words. It's kind of a longer story this week. One vocabulary word there. Here is the somebody wanted but so then chart. You're familiar with that. That's what we used in class. You need to write your answers over here in the blanks. And then either on the back of one of these pages or on a clean sheet of notebook paper, you need to write your summary of the Little Red Hen using the information that you wrote in the chart. I think that was maybe day 3. Here's the comprehension questions that go along with the story, and you have choices to choose there. There's a Venn diagram to help you with that last question. We have additional resources and assignments listed here, and they will also be listed on our web pages if you want to go look at there. Here is the bookmark that we told you could look at to help you with annotating the story. And there is the triangle that we used in class when we were figuring out the theme of a story. Remember how to put how this character was at the beginning, how the character was at the end, how did the character change, and then that helps you come up with the theme of the story. Please, if you have any questions, email me or dojo me. I hope this packet is easier and simpler for you to understand. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.